Hey. This one right here's dead. We pop it out too, and then I'll go stand by the rest of them, and we'll just get them out.
From here back all
Well,
over.
just this one in the front, and then over there we're gonna take them all.
I'll give yours to the house.
I'm gonna spray them. Say hi! What up, Max? Get him! How was Brookings? Good? This is where you need a drone. That's what's up. Say, when we're done, I'll shut this off and I'll give you your stuff on the actual file.
Oh, right, there we go. With a
Yeah.
Power Madness.
Yeah, Mopar Madness. That's the scoop.
That's pretty nice of the new paint, huh?
Oh, that thing looks awesome.
Man,
That thing looks awesome.
Pico.
I know. That's ready for a purple wave.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do with mine. Clean it up a little. Put it on.
Flip it.
Seems they bring up their worth.
Nice.
I paid a little too much, but whatever. It's. Guess you lose on some, you know.
Yeah. You think you
But
paid
it's
too
all-
much?
Yeah.
Can you put
it
it?
was like 17, and then you know that would have been decent, but I didn't know it would be quite $2,000. You know, taxes.
Oh shoot!
Like 2,100 down here on top.
And that was for Richie's, off of Richie's.
Yeah, they're pretty. But yeah, I guess it's something I didn't know, and now I know.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I might keep it a little lower next time. But
Stubborn tree.
she's mean though.
That's a lot of horsepower holding her up.
Yeah, pretty much. Of course, so
Kadoosh, kadoosh.
this is the Outback, the Subaru.
That we got that for free. I'm gonna put a motor in it. We got it for free from somebody over that works with Melissa's dad.
Oh, dude,
And
man.
it's clean.
What year?
It's 08.
Oh wait,
I'm gonna slam a motor in
I
it.
was gonna say it looks pretty late model.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks.
Yeah. So I'm gonna after
How
the
many
house.
miles?
The body I think's got about 180. But the motor went on it. Something they kept care of it. So I'll just get a motor.
Decent regular.
Yeah. I'll drive it to work, and then some days when Trevor's
Nice. Is all-wheel drive.
yeah.
Nice. Or are they all?
They're all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I think the Subaru Bats isn't. That little small two-seater they got. I don't think that's all-wheel drive.
That's a darn good system, they say.
Yeah,
I
it
don't
is.
really know it.
It is.
You had a Legacy, right?
I did.
How was that?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
It do 150.
I guess I don't know too much about it, but
It was a good car. I mean, that was a good car. So this will be my little work car. And when I'm not working, Trevor can drive it to school and better on gas
hey,
mileage.
there you go. Nice. What does the engine cost for it, roughly?
Well, so I've seen some with 50,000 miles on them, and they give a 30-day warranty for I was like $1,900.
Oh, so it's not like $4,000.
No, not like a 6.2 or a 5.7 or something. So yeah, it'll be good.
Oh, that ain't too bad.
So $2,000 for a car that's pretty
Hey, there
clean.
you go.
You know, I'll drive it.
You got a tint?
Yeah.
HID?
Yeah.
Cheap stuff.
Little LED on it for it because I got the custom LED.
Hey, then check it out.
Yeah, go ahead. It's open. Go in it, Ryan. I think the dirt's a little soft. that sucker is like deep.
That's pretty soft, yeah.
Yeah. And then that tree's like pretty damn tough. That's a lot of energy on it.
I know, they go down a long ways.
Yeah, they do. And then with all these little trees next to it, how much is the roots intertwined?
I don't know, the little ones go down pretty easy, but at our place, most of them are dead.
Yeah, okay.
So if you got good trees, they hold.
Yeah, I got you. That ain't a good tree. I mean, you can see all the stuff was falling off of it. That's why I figured just get it down real quick when we had power.
Yeah.
But that's a little deep. Jesus.
Yeah, it's still soft everywhere.
Oh, it's horrible. That's why I couldn't believe when they said, we gotta get it done. It's like, you're gonna frickin' sink. This is gonna be bad.
Trying to get a cement truck in here.
Oh, he'll be wasting doors. I like it. Doing wheelies.